Okay, now we created our systems, project systems model. And in this model is linked in, we have our architecture and our structural models linked in. We don't really need the structural, but we'll leave it there just for the heck of it. So now let's go into our power plan. And this is where we're going to select our power. Now, what we like to do here is we want to select our linked architectural model and we want to edit the type. And here we want to check room bounding. And we'll set apply and OK. And then from our annotate tab, we want to go to room tag. Now by us placing room tag, it will pick up our rooms that we selected from our architectural model. So there are room names coming across in this model. So we got here a situation here. We got, let's just, it's our conference room. We didn't name these rooms. We should probably have named them. And then we have our warehouse. So let's cancel that. And now there's our rooms placed and they're linked in from the architectural model. So on the power plan, let's just place these here. Now we're in our power, so we want to go ahead in this model and start placing our receptacles. So we'll go in here, device, and we're electrical fixture, and we'll just place our receptacles in this model. Just place a few here and there arbitrarily about where you want to place these. We want to hold off on the bathrooms because they'll be we'll have to put equipment there. We need GFCIs there. So here we go, one there and one there. Let's go back into our room tag again. There's the office there. Okay, and there's our warehouse. So let's cancel that. So that's how you select your room. So let's go ahead and add our power receptacles. Let's continue with these. Okay, on the systems, electrical equipment. Device, I'm sorry. We'll place one here, there, and there, and there. So there, we have all our receptacles placed. So now what we're going to do here, we got to go back into our architectural model. And what we want to do is we want to create these other rooms. Let's just strategically move this over here. So let's shut this guy down. And let's go into our architectural model. Well, let's stay here. Let's go and add some light fixtures. So we'll go into our ceiling grid and we'll add light fixtures. We're in our systems model, the one we just created, and let's go add light fixtures. I think we want to add some, let's just go here and let's just insert some new lights. So let's go insert, load family. We'll go down to lighting, and here we'll go to MEP, internal, and let's use the 2x2 topher and open. And let's go place some lights on the system light fixture. One place on the face. There's a light there. Let's place one here. Now let's zoom in here for a second, and we can align these to our grid. And we can copy these. Let's just copy these. And let's go constrain and multiple. And let's go with 2 spaces. There. Okay, now let's cancel here. Let's bring a couple more lights in this one room. So there and there. Actually, let's move this guy over a bit. Just align to this grid. Oh, cancel that, sorry. Align to this grid line. And let's copy these down. Oh, cancel, sorry. We want to turn this off because we don't want to pick the face. We want to copy from here to here. Okay. Now this is the ceiling grid. So we've got our power plant and our ceiling grid. Now let's go in this room. We might want to add some different type fixtures, but we need to do some more modeling in our bathrooms. So let's go and continue this grid, light fixtures. So for this room, let's just go and add a 2x4 topher. So let's go insert, load family, lighting again, MEP, internal. Let's go to 2x4 parabolic. Boom. Systems, light fixture is our 2x4. I'm going to place them on the face again. Place one there. I think these rooms are better suited for, this room would be good for 2x4. That's just strategically, that's just, now normally a lighting designer would do this for us, but we're doing it just for our practice here. So let's modify and align this fixture to this line, this one to this one. I think that's okay, and we'll copy these two up to here. Let's cancel that, didn't want to do that. So now we got our lights in here. So over here, let's go and add more fixtures. We'll go with the 2x2. So just copy this guy here. Bring this over and move him into place. From there, we'll copy another one here. Doesn't really matter how you lay these lights out. I'm just sort of doing this for aesthetics. Cancel that. Let's select these two and copy them into this room. Go here, here, and here to that room. So this is basically how we're going to do this. And also the same deal with the room names. Let's copy, let's go with a 2x4 here. Let's copy this one. Let's turn constraint off so we can get them up here. And we'll place one there. And we'll lay these out like so. We'll copy this one from here to here. Cancel. We'll copy these over. Oops, sorry, messed up that one, but we can just align these in place. So we've got our lights in here, so our bathrooms, we can go with 2x4s in here as well. Just being lazy, folks. Put one here. We'll copy these two from here to here. And let's cancel that. So there we just created our power plan. And now in this view, the power, we see our light fixtures. We don't necessarily have to see them in this view. So we can right click, hide in view category, and that'll turn off all our lights. And then we'll have in our ceiling pan for level 1, our lights. So that's how you basically put our lights in. So let's go into our 3D view and have a look. And we can see our light fixtures and our receptacles in our systems model. So anyway, that's all for this view, and we're going to stop with this one and go and do some modifications in our architecture.